Here's the bed without the front on it at all. You can see the aluminium frame that I used. It was one of the patient beds that's been relocated. You can see where they had all the different apparatus hanging off the side. There's all brackets and all sorts in a box I've got. Started doing the wood on the guest's bunk storage area, putting a edge on it, but needs finishing somewhat, but it's a start. That's this weekend's mission. The bed front, just temporarily fixed at the moment, but it's just got to be stained and bolted, and possibly come up with an idea for a ladder, but I can't imagine I'm going to be having too many guests stay. Stained me front of me bunk bed. The light's not doing it any justice in here at all. It's come up quite nice and pine looking with the stain on, but yeah, this fluorescent light is making it look terrible. Started putting the bed front on, drilling the holes, and haven't fixed nothing yet, but things are lining up well. Here's the finished bunk bed video. I just watched through the other videos and I haven't actually done one of it finished. Probably going to make a little ladder so it's nice and sturdy. And so I have had a little lay on it. It's not a massive amount of room, headroom, but it was a compromise between. Let me step back. It was a compromise between the space for my desk and where the washing machine table is. It was a compromise between having some space there or not so much space there, or the other way round. But as it's going to get very little use for anyone sleeping on it, it'll be more likely storage than anything. So there's the final little video. I'll call that finished there.